Welcome to Paintify, your personal AI-powered art studio. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to transform your ordinary photos into extraordinary masterpieces using two powerful tools, Paintify Style Transfer and Paintify Pro. Whether you're a total beginner or a creative pro, this tutorial will have you creating stunning artwork in minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to paintifystyletransfer.lovable.app. If you're new here, just click Sign Up and create an account with your email. If you're already part of the family, click Sign In. Great news for new users, you get 2 free credits just to explore the app before committing to anything. And here's a bonus, refer a friend, and you'll earn 40 credits when they make their first purchase. We don't do monthly subscriptions here, just simple credit packs. It's only $5 for 100 credits, and they never, ever expire for the lifetime of the application. Let's start with Paintify Style Transfer, which is perfect for applying artistic styles to your photos. Step 1. Choose your aspect ratio if you're doing text to image. We've got square, portrait, classic, mobile, and widescreen. All images render at a stunning 2048 pixels on the longest side for incredible clarity. Step 2. Upload your content image. This is the photo you want to transform. You can drag and drop it or just click to upload. We support files up to 5 megabytes. Step 3. Upload or select a style image. This is required and defines the artistic look you're going for. You can choose from our curated gallery of royalty-free images or upload your own. Now for the magic prompts. Use the positive prompt to describe what you want: colors, themes, artistic styles. The negative prompt tells the AI what to avoid. And here's a pro tip: after uploading your content image, click the yellow Generate a Prompt button. The AI will analyze your photo and create a detailed description for you. You can then edit it to perfectly match your vision. Next, choose from 5 model presets: fast for quick results, high quality for maximum detail, realistic for a photo-like output, cinematic for dramatic effects, or animated for that cool cartoon look. Fine-tune your creation with 2 sliders. Photo content strength preserves your original details, while style strength controls how much artistic flair is applied. A little secret? Setting style strength between 50 and 65% usually gives you the best balance. Just a heads up, starting August 25, 2025, each style transfer will use 2 credits and output at double the resolution. That's 2048 pixels for sharper, more vibrant creations. Hit Start Transfer and watch the magic happen. You can download your image immediately in PNG, WebP, or JPEG format. Your images are stored for 7 days, but I recommend saving them right away just to be safe. Now, let's talk about Paintify Pro. Powered by ByteDance Seedream 4.0 model, this is where things get really exciting. Paintify Pro isn't just style transfer, it's a complete image generation and editing powerhouse. You can create images from text, transform images without needing a content description, get up to 4K resolution, change objects and clothing, edit text on signs, swap backgrounds, restore old photos, and apply artistic styles like watercolor or charcoal. And each Pro generation costs just 2 credits, the same as style transfer, but with so many more capabilities. The interface is clean and simple. Upload your image for editing, or skip it to create from text. Here's the key difference with Paintify Pro for image to image: you don't need to describe what's in your photo. Just tell the AI what you want to change. For example, for a style transfer, you could say, convert to a loose watercolor painting while maintaining the exact composition. Hit the Generate button and wait for the result. For a background change the background to a beach while keeping the person in the exact same position, scale, and pose. Here's the result image. Or for text editing, replace JOY with Pro on the notebook. See the pattern? Be specific about what changes and what should stay the same. This gives you maximum control. Here are a few quick pro tips. Use quotation marks for exact text replacement, like replace opinion with facts. Be intentional about preserving details by saying, while keeping the same facial features. Name art styles specifically, like watercolor painting or impressionist painting, instead of just artistic. And for complex edits, break them into smaller steps. Best of all, commercial use is allowed, which is perfect for your business projects. So, let's quickly recap. Paintify Style Transfer is perfect for applying artistic styles and requires both a content and style image. Paintify Pro is an all-in-one generator and editor that doesn't need a content description for image-to-image edits, just tell it what to change. Paintify Pro offers up to 4K output, advanced features like text editing, and is more versatile for professional work. Both tools use the same credit system, just $5 for 100 credits, and each generation costs 2 credits. Remember, they never expire. New users get 2 free credits, payment is easy with PayPal or your card, no subscriptions, no hidden fees, and you can earn 40 more by referring a friend. And there you have it. Whether you choose Paintify Style Transfer for classic art or Paintify Pro for advanced editing, you now have the tools to create amazing artwork. Remember to start simple, experiment with your prompts, and most importantly, have fun. If you have questions, join our Facebook group or send us an email. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share your creations with us. Now, go make something beautiful.